What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, GGFOREX here, and on today's video I'm going to be going over how you can compare charts to kind of figure out where the market is going. How do you see confluence, and also there's a word for it and I can't think of it. Fuck it. How to find correlating pairs. Right, so you've probably heard of like EU and GU, and how you can look at the DXY. Now, if you haven't got like two monitors, like I have now, yeah, we're upgrading in this bitch. If you haven't got two monitors and you really find it annoying to like flick between two screens at the same time or split it and not see it properly, well, I've got something I can show you on TradingView that you can use to look at all three charts at the same time on one page and it not be confusing. Because as we know, you can kind of see divergence in the market with actual pairs. So not just the RSI, but actually what is going on, what are the banks doing in the market with certain pairs, because there's certain rules. And if the dollar index is going down, then we should be looking for buys on EU and GU, right? That's generally how it is. So let's go on the market. So let me break down, let me explain what I'm trying to say, and then yeah, let's go crush the following week. Okay, right, I hope you can see me in the corner over there. I'll just get rid of these bloody pop-ups on TradingView. Right, so I'm on TradingView, I'm on GU. So what I'm trying to explain is also these yellow bars here, they are weekly gaps. So obviously this is the low of the week, this is the high of the previous week, this is the low, and obviously when the market's open in like 6 or 7 hours time, this will obviously be another yellow bar. So what I'll do is just hide that for now, just to get out of the way with. But you want to click this compare button. Obviously I only use the free version of this because I cannot be asked to pay for it, basically, because I don't need to. I don't use it that much, I just use it for one or two features which I can get for free. So let's go on, so I'm on GU, so what I want to do is compare this to the dollar index. Actually no, what I will do is also compare it with the EU as well. So Euro USD and then DXY. So what I'm saying is really, if the dollar index is going down, then EU and GU should be going up. So as you can see from the charts here, the dollar index, by the way, is this blue. And actually what I'm gonna do is change this to line. So let's just do line graphs. And if I can change it, can I change the, aha. We'll change it to black. We'll just change it to black, okay? So we've got GU in black, EU in red, and we've got the dollar index in blue, okay? So as we can see here, we have got lower lows, lower highs on the dollar index. Boom, boom. And then we have got higher highs, higher lows on EU. And the same with GU, okay? So what we can do, what can we use this for, is we can see what we should be doing on the other major pairs. I know a lot of people like to do EU and GU, hence why I'm using this as an example. But also what you can use this feature for is divergence. So let's just scroll through and see if I can find any divergence. Oh God, it's going to be a bit difficult. Here we go, we've got something interesting here. So look, GU is in black, okay? GU is making lower lows, lower highs. We can see that it's just fallen off. So theoretically the dollar index must mean it's going up, but then have a look at dollar index. Lower low, lower high. So that is divergence happening in the market. But then if you also have a look at the same area, EU is getting stronger. Oh God, if I can bloody do it. EU is getting stronger in the same area. So what does this tell us? That something is happening with the banks. They are doing something, because if the dollar index is getting weaker, then the pound should be getting stronger, but it's not, it's also getting weaker. So then we need to look and be careful certain key areas in those markets of where we can basically be safe and not get stopped out or just opt out of that pair. Because you know something weird is going to happen until you know what you're looking for. Watch out for it until you get clear direction in the market, which is what you can see here. Is higher highs, higher lows on GU, higher highs, higher lows on EU, and then lower lows, lower highs on the dollar index. So you could have this in your rules. You could say, I'm only going to trade EU and GU if the dollar index is going down. So I'm only going to put buys in EU, GU if the dollar index is going down. I'm only going to put sells in EU, GU if the dollar index is going up. Okay? So this is how I like to use this feature to see if I've got correlation in my pairs. Should I be in the market? Should I be staying out of the market? That's kind of what I do because I want to see everything on one screen. I kind of don't want to be like everywhere of the monitors because you can get carried away, and I will be getting another monitor somewhere around this area just because I can. And it'll be cool. So that is what I use the compare feature for on TradingView. So also what I will be doing is in the GGFOREX group, I'll be showing you my correlating pairs. So if the EU and GU is going up, what else correlates with that? Where else could you be put in a position in the opposite direction? Because if I know EU's going up, that means I'm going to be looking for buys on GU as well. Kind of like what I did here. But what I will do is I'll make a PDF and I'll put that in the GGFOREX Facebook group for you guys to like copy, download, or do whatever you want to do. But I'll put it in the group there just to help you guys out. So this is really a quick video to show you how you can compare the charts and obviously do it with different pairs. I just do the majors with the DXY because obviously the dollar strength index is the dollar strength index. You know, if you're trading the dollar, you want to know if it's strong or weak. This is how you can test whether the dollar is strong or weak against other pairs. I know a lot of people just trade the majors and that is it, and this is a tool they use because it's very helpful. It gives you a good idea of what is going on. As you can see here, right at the end where we're currently at on the 1 hour chart, dollar index is gaining strength. Euro USD is getting weaker, which makes sense. But then if you have a look at GU is actually going up in strength. So something weird is happening with GU where it could be going up, bang, taking out these equal highs that we got marked up on the charts. Okay, so if I go back to my candles, these equal highs. So I'm saying this is going to go down, but it's showing divergence because it should be going down because the dollar index is going up. So I'm looking for a potential sell on GU coming up because it's what the charts is telling me. If the dollar index is gaining strength and the EU is going down, GU is going up at the moment. But what's it going up to do? I'm saying it's going to have a huge push, take out these equal highs, break structure. Then I'm going to look for a re-entry on what candle breaks those highs. Again, this is all theoretical. I could be wrong, so don't kill me if I am wrong. But I can clearly show you in the chart something is happening, and we're probably going to see that on London Open tomorrow morning. But yeah, guys, I hope you found this informative. And also, we are in GU. We have got the RSI in the bottom, and then what is happening? We have got weakness. So we got the strength in GU. We've also got RSI divergence saying it's getting weaker. We've also got confluence that the dollar index is getting stronger and EU is getting weaker. So we know there's something weird going on with GU right now. So what is obvious to me is these equal highs are going to be taken, and then we're going to see a big drop off because that makes everything else in line. So until that big manipulative move happens, don't touch GU. Okay, guys? So again, I hope you found this informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. I love you all. Please like, share, subscribe, and join the GGFOREX family down below in the Facebook group to get my my PDF of all the correlation pairs of what's going up, what's going down, what you can do on the opposite sides. Again, guys, love you all. I'll see you on the next one.